are going to love the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, passenger airbag, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.